care of, at least in the hope is that it's taken care of, that the attacker, if they make bond, will not come back to the house because it's basically an automatic felony charge. And the thing about an EPO that I've heard a lot of judges say is that if an individual who's subject to an EPO is angry enough, there's no piece of paper going to keep them from coming back to their family and committing more violence. But generally, the fear of escalating the offense, a second felony charge for violating an emergency protective order, and all those things are draconian enough, scary enough that the attacker stays away. The fact of the matter is the emergency protective order is extremely strict, extremely harsh. Even if the parties seek to reconcile, that doesn't matter. There can still be a violation of the emergency protective order. And the reason why is because we know in the cycle of violence, we call it a cycle for a reason, that the abused will generally take back or in many, many cases will take back the abuser because of the codependent nature of the relationship. So the emergency protective order is essentially something that's issued without a great deal of testimony. It's very hard to set it aside. It's very hard to shorten it up. In very rare circumstances, you can do it. But again, the reason why the court doesn't often do that is because it's such a short period of time. It's only good for 120 days. And the way the court sees it, that's a significant enough cooling off period to allow the parties to take a breath and step away from each other for the safety of themselves, their children, etc. So I hope this has been of some help. It's not an uplifting subject, I know, but I do want to explain what the difference is between these three different types of protective orders that can be issued in the family case. Well, I guess it's three different kinds of temporary orders: temporary restraining order, emergency protective order, Title IV protective order. Anyhow, thank you again for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Leave me a question or comment. I'll reply back to you directly or in a subsequent video. Thanks again. See you guys soon in the studio.